Hello everyone, this is Mrs. K. Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about tuple in Python. First, we have to discuss about how to create tuple. In Python, tuple is a sequence of immutable elements or items. List is mutable elements. Tuple is immutable elements. Tuple is similar to the list since the item will be stored in the list that can be changed. Whereas the tuple is immutable and the item stored in the tuple cannot be changed. The tuple can be written as the collection of comma separated values that will be enclosed with these small brackets. For list creation we have to use the square bracket. For tuple creation we have to use the small brackets. So the syntax for creating the tuple is variable equal to, within the small brackets we have to mention the value 1, value 2 and value 3. All the values should be separated with the comma. So in this example you can see that T1, T2, T3 and T4. So T1 will be the empty tuple, T2 contains the value of 1, 2, 3, Python and 3, 3.7 and T3 contains the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and T4 contains the items of C. Next we are going to discuss about indexing, tuple indexing in Python. Same like in the list, it will be indexed by using 0 for the 0 index for the first element and 1 index for the second element up to n element. So the elements of the tuple can be accessed by using the slice operator. The tuple indexing supports the negative indexing also. The negative indices are counted from the right side. The last element of the tuple has the index of -1. It is it will be move on to the -1, -2, -3, -4 and the -5 in the backward direction. Next, tuple operator. The tuple operators are concatenation operator, repetition operator, slice operator, range slice operator, membership operator. The concatenation operator will be used to concatenate the two tuples. Repetition operator, it concatenate and produce the multiple copies of the same tuple. Slice operator will be used for access the item from the tuple, and range slice operator will be used to access the range of items from the tuple. In membership operator will be returns the particular item present in the specified tuple. Not in means it returns true if the particular item is not present in the tuple. So in this example you can see that the number that contains the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this first we have to use the concatenation operator. In this concatenation operator you can see that num plus lang, the value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Python, C, Java and PHP. Second one will be the after concatenation it will be the repetition means number will be repeated for the 2 times, that is the number tuple will be repeated for the 2 times. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And third one will be we have to index we have to perform the slicing operator. We have to perform the slicing operator. We have to mention that lang of 2 means the 2 will be a index value, not an item. So the index value of the 2 will be with respect to the lang is Java. Then how to add or remove the elements from the tuple. Unlike list, the tuple items cannot be updated or deleted as tuples are immutable. To delete an entire tuple, we can use the del keyword with the tuple name. So in this example, you can see the tuple that equal to Python, C, Java, PHP. So the tuple of 3 we have to update it, so it will shows the error. So for delete the entire item, we have to use the keyword del. Iterating with tuple, we can use the for in loop, a simple tuple that contains the 4 strings. So here the iterating variable I will be iterated and give the output Python, C, Java and PHP. The functions and methods with respect to the tuples are length, maximum, minimum, sum, tuple, sorted, count and index. So length function that returns number of items, that is find out the length of the tuple and returns the number of items in the tuple. We have to use the keyword length. Maximum will be used to find out the maximum value in the tuple. Minimum will be used to find out the minimum value in the tuple. So in this example you can see that the minimum value will be 1. For T2 the minimum value will be C. For sum it returns sum of all the values in the tuple. So we have to use the keyword sum. Next one, for converting string or list to tuple, we have to use the tuple as a keyword. Sorted, it will be used to sort all the items of the tuple in the ascending order. Count, it will be returns the number of items an element appears in the tuple. The index, the method that returns the index of the passed element. If the element is not present, it raises the value error. So up to this we covered tuple creation, tuple indexing and tuple methods. Thank you.